Hi, I'm Hector Del Castillo, Chief Product Officer of Bolt PM. I help companies launch better technology and software products faster. I am super excited about leading this keynote talk at the PMI Silver Spring Chapter 2021 Symposium. This year's theme is titled Embracing Change, Resilience, and the Impact upon Project Management. The topic of my talk is Making Change Happen Against the Odds. This will inspire you to use your project management superpowers to become a change agent within your organization. In this day and age, it's not enough to embrace change. You've got to empower innovators, creators, and change makers to build a better future. Attend this talk to learn why building organizational agility is crucial, how to use your project management superpowers to build a better future, and the steps to build critical skills to make your organization and community future ready. This symposium will be an awesome learning experience with a great lineup of speakers and thought leaders. They will cover a range of topics that guarantee that you get something useful out of participating. Here are 3 reasons why you don't want to miss this. It's a great opportunity to 1. Build critical project management skills to accelerate your career. 2. Earn additional PDUs to maintain your certification. And 3. Network with like-minded project managers, all from the comfort of your remote office. If you have any questions you want me to cover, connect with me. I will be sure to include answers, examples, or case studies during my talk. You can learn more about this talk by following the link shown here. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great week.